Hello everyone! Today we're going to make a very tasty recipe of mutton masala curry in pressure cooker. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. In a pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Add 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 10 black peppercorns and half star anise, 5 green cardamom and 2 black cardamom. Adding 5 sliced onions. Cook until the onion turns golden. Adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of green chili paste. Saute until the raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears. I'm adding 1 kilo of goat meat or mutton. You can also use beef if you like. We're going to cook the meat for 5 to 10 minutes until all the water evaporates. Crush 4 tomatoes and add to this. Mix it together. Adding 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of kashmiri red chilli powder. This is what gives the gravy a nice red color. If you're using regular chili powder, then make sure you add a pinch of red food color. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2.5 teaspoon of salt or add as desired, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook the tomato paste until the oil separates. The tomatoes are nicely done. At this stage, I'm just adding a little bit of water and closing the lid. Pressure cook until the meat is 100% done. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes so far. The meat is nicely cooked. At this stage, we will add ½ teaspoon of mace powder or javitri powder. Adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some ginger julienne, some chopped coriander leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix for another minute or so and serve with naan, rice or roti. Our delicious mutton masala curry is ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.